What if a boat didn't need water at all? This one is literally skiing across solid ice. Instead of a propeller and water, it uses a spinning wheel-like gear at the back to grip the frozen surface and push itself forward. The faster it spins, the smoother the boat glides, almost like it's floating on air. No waves, no splashes, just pure speed across a frozen lake. It looks strange at first, like a boat mixed with a sled and a snow machine. But once it starts moving, it becomes surprisingly fast and stable. Imagine racing across ice in something designed for water. Would you trust this ride?